This is the finished product, guys. Can you look at my chair from next door to my other chair? This is out the sink. Put the hose down. Give it a nice last wipe out. I hate when it's not. I only want to see the chrome. I mean, not the chrome, the stainless steel. I said the chrome, the stainless steel. Yeah. You smell something? Let me see. Again? Bathroom. The toilet. The tub. Got my foot spot in there. But as you guys can see, the tub is nice and clean. And there you have it. Nice and ready for my mom when she gets here. Hey guys, I gotta clean up. I'm about to do some cleaning real quick. I have my mom coming out to visit. As you see, I got a couple of dishes here. So I'm about to do this. I gotta clean the bathroom, do the floors, and you know, be prepared, guys, because Brooke's actually fixing her some pizza bites for dinner. But guys, let's see. What do you say, guys? Are these done? Yeah, those are done. You could take them. I mean, I would like to see a little bit pop, but no, those are done. Okay. I like to see the cheese pop up the side. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna do a quick little cleaning and get prepared for when my mom gets here. I'll show you the before and after. And I also gotta do the bathroom. I'll show you the before, the after. I got makeup all over the sink. And
so now, guys, I'm gonna clean my bathroom, and this is some industrial strength spick and span disinfectant, all purpose. You see that? Use industrial because I have a business. I can use that kind of stuff and get that kind of stuff. So I'm using industrial cleaning. I'm clean the bathroom real good, guys. A quick little housekeeping fast little hack. This is a little cleaning cloth, and if you notice, it's raggedy because it's the cleaning cloth. That's what it's for. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick little cleaning. And it's clean. It's just a cleaning cloth, and you can make any kind of cloth a cleaning cloth. All your old, say if you have bleach on your old, some towels, or you got some towels that maybe you don't want to put out for, gas store, you don't want to use, cut them up, make you some cleaning rags. Simple, 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 simple. So what I'm doing now is I'm wiping all around, and this is disinfecting. Again, the industrial strength disinfectant. I'm wiping all around. Now I'm going to get the soap dish. I'm going to use my nails to get that hard soap out. I hate when there's stuff in there. So I'm going to wipe that out. Like that. Thank you, Popo. You turned off the water? Oh, thank you. Just wipe it off like that. Now I'm going to take and wipe it, wash it. And the water's. Give it a clean rinse. Go down all the way to the. Right down here. Again. Soap dish. I didn't zoom in for you. Look at that. Nice clean soap dish. Like that.
now I'm gonna wipe around here. Again, guys. With some spick and span. That's what I use. I use spick and span, I use bleach, I use whatever cleaning I want to make sure that it gets clean. Whatever it says disinfecting, that's what works. So guys, right now I'm just wiping off my toilet. A second, and I'm wiping off the back wall, wiping off the knob, wiping off behind the toilet. wiping around the toilet. And
the bowl. Clean it real good. Get under there.
now I'm gonna clean my tub, guys, real quick. Get some Ajax in here.
So now, I'm spraying my shower, guys. And I'm also spraying this is liquid Carmet, and I just use powder. And what I'm doing is I'm just giving my tub a nice little cleaning. I got my gloves on. I got my, and I'm just gonna, actually this is a little bit more wet. Just give it a nice little wipe down on the floor first. Then let me get around the edges. Look at that, guys. Get around here. Get around here. Get around here. Get that nice clean. You want the white. Get around on that part. Get it nice. And then wipe around there. Wipe that. Then I got spray. We can see that. And the spray. Sometimes you gotta just take it old school. So what I'm using is a powder Ajax and a liquid Ajax. And let me just show you how effective it can be. Get that, guys. Let me get my ball. Scrub off. And I'm done. I got clean socks on. I'm gonna step into my shower. Like that. Wipe them off. Gotta wipe your shower rolls down. And a nice spray some more liquid on it. And you'll see I got my clean socks in there. And you can use some socks you don't mind getting dirty. And you can also use a brush. Go to Dollar Tree, get one of those toilet brushes you use for your toilet. And you can use that. Like for something like this. Over here, I guess shampoo. It's giving me a hard time coming out. So I'm gonna step out. Put my feet and foot in there. And look at it. There you go. I'm gonna spray it again. There you go. This time, make sure. Now I'm out the tub, and I'm just gonna wipe around here. And the Carmet, the powder Carmet's gonna get that tub white. Get all that hot water stains. Look at that. That Carmet. And I got the liquid and the powder. So look at the tub. Look at that, guys. All white, no rain, nothing. Look at that. Nice and clean. Look at that. All around the sides. Let me get in here. Wipe in here. Give it a nice little once over. Sit back and look at it. Take my spray bottle out. Scrub the bottom real good. Oh, let me get right here. See some more. Some more no shower stains, none of that. And there you go. So now what I'm doing is I'm gonna take my empty shampoo, dish detergent bottle, fill it with some water and rinse. Simple cleaning.
So guys, I have my Ajax bottles filled with a little bit of water, some cold water at that, and some bleach. And I'm just gonna do little beads. And I use this as like a spray bottle. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at the dirt coming off. You see that? You see that, guys? That's what the Ajax does. Look at that. Look at that, guys. All that came from, let's show this side. Look at that.
It's a nice, clean, effective way. Look at that.
And it probably not a lot of dirt because I just did it like 2 days ago, anything. So if you repeat this, like if you leaf spray your shower when you're done, you don't have to even do this that often. So that's why you see all the stuff come out, because I do usually do the leaf spray it. Now I'm gonna turn on my cold water and let it rinse the excess of it. That's all. And there you go, guys. Nice quick result.
Nice and clean. Look at that, guys. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Nice and clean. Look at that, guys. Nice and clean.